Hello, everyone. Today we're going to discuss another fallacy, another logical fallacy. Okay, once again, what's logical fallacy? Logical fallacies are errors in logic or errors in reasoning. All right, so this time we're going to do sweeping generalization. Sweeping generalization is a close cousin of hasty generalization, but they're not exactly the same. So, what is sweeping generalization? The fallacy of sweeping generalization happens when a rule that is generally accepted to be correct in one instance is used incorrectly in another instance. So let's take a look at an example. So, for example, this one I see this in the classroom. These are the ones that my students have used on me. So I'm going to put it here. In the classroom, a teacher asked the students to answer the Google quiz about logical fallacies. One student stood up and started to sing. When the teacher approached the student said, "Everyone has a right to free speech, right?" You see here, the student is not exactly wrong. I mean, everyone does have a right to free speech. However, it was used in incorrect context. All right? Remember, context matters. So, to fix this fallacy, you have to understand that some rules are only true within specific contexts. It is true in your context doesn't automatically mean it is true in another context. So, a teacher would say, "Yes, while you have the right to free speech, today is not the proper time to show that. Right now, what you're showing is a disorderly conduct that disrespects your teachers, your classmates, and to a certain extent, yourself." All right. So while that is true in another context, that is not true in this context. So that's a logical fallacy, sweeping generalization. My students would realize, Miss is correcting my sweeping generalization logical fallacy. All right, so this is the reference that I've used. You can also check that out. There are other examples, and there are other explanations of the other logical fallacies. All right, so that is it for today. That is sweeping generalization. My name is Miss Herbal Santiago. I'm a teacher, I'm a writer. Uh, I have a YouTube account. Please do subscribe. And if you have any questions, please click the subscribe button. I am currently teaching right now, so I'm a little bit very busy. But I'm very busy. But I'm creating this for my students, but I'm also creating this for other students, for those who might not have access to this the way my students have, right? So if you like this kind of content, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you again. All right, thank you so much for being here. May you have a great and happy day. Bye.